Hey guys, Mike here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your brand new Samsung Galaxy S4 for the first time. Just get it out of the box, press and hold the power button. It's the one on the right side of the phone as you're looking at it. The phone will boot up and you'll see exactly the screen we have here. From now on, follow my written indications included in this clip and I'll walk you through the initial setup process. We'll finish in a minute or two, but if you have any questions, just post them below and I'll be around to reply.